The FCC regulating the Internet. The Internet has been the source of so many jobs and creativity and innovation. Why do we want to regulate the hell out of the Internet? Let it go. So that, and right now, the president has all those bullets in his gun. With the Congress where it is now, they can stand up and make a hell of a lot of noise against three key areas. The FCC, NLRB, and EPA. Before they couldn't do that, they just shut them up. Now they have hearings. ISA can call hearings. They can do all kinds of stuff about.
Don't you think that,
around jobs?
Right? Don't you think the other side looks at that as an opportunity?
To stick it to them.
No, but to accomplish some of the things that they want to accomplish without having to go through. I mean, you saw the way. It's almost like a recess appointment.
No, that's what they were going to do. That's what was going to happen. This election changes that. So if the Republicans are reasonable and talk about these three things in a job creation area, they've got a platform to have a rational discussion and have hearings and not just be called obstructionists and or anything else.
But it sounds like obstructing. Some of the agenda of this administration, in terms of the EPA, in terms of the FCC, and in terms of the NLRB, the agenda of what they're trying to do needs to be obstructed by Congress now.
Absolutely.
Okay, then you're not.
Absolutely.
Some
you
obstructions
can't let your
are
principles
good.
go. You can still.
You get there and fight like hell about it.
All right.
But now you've got a voice there because you're on jobs.
You're not proposing rollover on everything like you were earlier. You're saying
go
ahead.
ahead.
You're saying go ahead.
You're such a pain in the ass.
If you need to obstruct, go ahead. So they have your blessing to maybe stop some of this stuff, Jack?
No.
Boehner has.
They have my blessing to create jobs.
Okay.
Well, and part of it is tone.
I'm glad.
Correct?
I'm sure. I hope he's not watching today. He's going to be afraid to go to the bathroom, Boehner.
Joe.
Part of it is tone and how you talk to people. We've said that. You've said that.
Bring some rationale.
I mean, I think your point is, clearly he's still the president, and with his appointment power, he still wields an enormous sword.
Power.
But your point is, sometimes if you've been hitting your head with a stone for 2 days, just stopping feels good, right?
Absolutely.
I think he has been doing that. Actually,
Really?
after that earlier, no, I'm kidding.
Joe, I'm telling you, when you have a theme and a vision, you can rally people around the cause, and you can get things accomplished. And each of these three things, NLRB, EPA, and the FCC, can be dealt with if you're talking about it in terms of the economy and jobs. You can't be if you're saying, those bastards, get them out, get them out.
The other thing, too,